Have you ever expected to drive at ease with no concern about threats and dangers on the way? MacFaith's security video recording system helps you drive without worry. It records inside and outside your vehicle, providing evidence for insurance claims and court actions. The video files are 256-bit encrypted to protect your privacy. The integrated ADAS technology alerts drivers of hazards like front collision and blind spots. The embedded driver monitoring system warns against dangerous habits like smoking or phone use. What's more, the Face ID prevents unauthorized access and enhances vehicle safety. Visit our website MacFaith.com now to have a real experience of our excellent versatile security surveillance system. It's always our pleasure to be at your service.